European Innovation Partnership and Farming Connect support the agriculture and forestry sector. The aim of EIP Wales is to solve common agricultural and forestry problems by bringing people from practical and scientific backgrounds together.
We keep Welsh black suckler herd, and as well we grow ancient cereals. Plus we created the first CSA in Wales on the farm. The CSA is a community supported agriculture, which means that the community and the farmer form a partnership, sharing the responsibility, sharing the cost, and sharing the produce. So now we're doing what all farms should be doing, is feeding our local people. Applying for the EIP funding via Farming Connect was quite easy, because through the help of Farming Connect we were able to set this project up of the focus on compost, and we found it very useful, because one thing it highlighted is that we should look after farmyard manure far more. We should manage it better to have the better outcome of it, better fertility out of it, to help to grow the crops on the farm. It's a sustainable approach in the whole cycle of looking after the soil, and without Farming Connect and the EIP funding, we wouldn't even have ventured to do that. We're doing a second EIP project where we're comparing ancient grains, ancient wheat grains, with a modern variety, where we're trialling two different seed rates and two different conditions, where one is undersown with clover and one isn't. We're comparing these to see the quality of grain and the quantity we have from ancient compared to modern. The importance of the EIP funding is vital to the progress of farming, to find and research things on the farm, to find in a working laboratory, to find out exactly these things that we need to know in farming, like compost and growing ancient cereals. They're vital. This is vital knowledge for the future of farming.